Right. Welcome to the Android session, dear everyone. Uh, right. Today we shall try to understand about how to work with toggle button. How to work with toggle button. In the previous session, we worked with how to work with images, how to work with dialog boxes, how to work with radio button, check boxes, and so on. Today we shall try to work with toggle button. What is the toggle button? I will explain. Okay. Can you able to see the screen there? I hope everything is clear at my side. My voice, screen presentation, and if you have any problem, let me know that, please. Okay. Still few people are joining. Wait for a while. You please, I request here, you please join by 12:15. Don't do late. Okay. Thank you, Amma. Thank you. Right, yeah, right. Still few people are. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. Okay. Still. Okay. Open the Android Studio here. In the Android Studio, I've taken one application as toggle button demo. Before that, I will close the already existing files so that it will be very clear to you. Just go for toggle button application already which I have created earlier to save the time. Just in the source file, you can able to see the source folder. You can able to see a file called as main activity.java. Just double click here. You can see the Java code as a part of our main activity.java. As you know this, dear. Right. Right, dear. This is our application. If you are unable to see the font style, please pin on the screen so that otherwise you please zoom on your screen. How you do that for images in the similar fashion you do it. Setting of two states, right? Absolutely, Sai Kumar. Toggle button is used to change the setting of two states, either on and off. Generally, for switch, we use on and off. In the similar fashion, in our Android application, we use toggle button for on and off. Only two options. Either it may be on or it may be off. As you know that when we use the switch for two purposes. Either we need to switch on or switch off. When you switch on, the fan may rotate. When you switch off, the fan may off. In a similar fashion, toggle button works only for two things: on and off, on and off. Clear? Sai Kumar, absolutely right. Thank you. Right here. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the file in the resource file. You can able to see in the resource folder. You can able to see layout folder. In the layout folder, you can see activity underscore main.xml. Just open it. Okay, dear. Good. Right. What I did means just see here. Everyone, please look at here. I've taken on the Android mobile screen. Okay, on the Android mobile screen. I've placed the toggle button here. Just drag and drop. No need to. Okay. Just this is a toggle button. Just drag and place in the container. Okay, container. I mean Android container. Then I placed one edit box here. You know edit box. You can place one edit box. You can see in the form widgets, edit box will be there. That edit box, that is nothing but small text or anything. That I drag and drop here. My intention is when I click here, the checked event will be triggered. The checked event will be triggered. Wait for a while. Right. Sorry for the delay, dear. I got a very important call. Just see here, dear. Right. This is the edit box here. As you know, you can see here. I've taken two components. One is toggle button. For the toggle button, I've given the ID as T1, as your wish. You can give any name here. And for edit box, I've given the name as E1, as your wish. Okay, these two are placed on relative layout. Relative layout means, as you know, this entire white color screen, we call it as relative layout here. Right. Now, can anybody say how many components I've taken here? Let me know. How many components I have taken? Please let me know, dear everyone. On the relative layout. Relative layout means Android screen, we call it as 2. Okay. Oh, okay. Sai Kumar, very good. What are they? One is toggle button, which performs on and off operations, and the other one is edit box, and another one is edit box. Relative layout is by default it will be there, dear. Okay. Vishwanath, what is the third one? I hope you are saying relative layout component. Is it? Okay, by default, relative layout will be there. Okay, okay, Vishwanath, absolutely correct. But it is a default component. Okay, it is a default component. We are not placed that. Okay, it is default, like a frame, like a window. It will be default. It will be there. Very good here. Now, what I have done in the edit box, I changed the ID as E1. Now we should map the components which we have placed on the Android screen should be mapped by our Java code, as I am saying from the first class, by using, can anybody say, by using the dash method. How can we view it and how can we find it, or how can we map it? The components which are placed on the design view with, okay, on create method I agreed here. How can we map these these two are placed on design view, but these should be mapped with our Java variables. How can we map? How can we map here? Simple amma. Design view lo unna components ni Java lo unna variables to map cheyali. Variables and IDs, very good. Variables should be mapped with IDs, very good. Java variables should be mapped with IDs of components placed on the Android screen. Very good. Android screen. Very good. On the relative layout. By using the method Pranay, absolutely right. Why you are forgetting, I am not able to know. idea of XML components with variables of Java by using the method. The Pranay said that is the Pranay said, what is that? Find view by ID. Okay. It is not only find the ID, but also map. Not only find the ID of our design, ID of our component, which is placed on design. It is also mapped with our Java variables. The design, in the design, we have two components here. One is T1. T1 is mapped with, I want to map with T1, and E1 if I want to map with E1. These two variables may be same or different. This is the things I'm learning from the beginning class or from the first application. Let's, okay, very good, yeah. Okay, of course, you tried very well. I appreciate you, great performance. But see this again. Go for the Java file here. You please see the code here, very important code. Here I have taken two variables here. One is toggle button T1 and edit text E1. Right. Since it will be taken, find view by ID gives in the form of object format. Okay, of T1. T1 now it is mapped with T1. Now object format is converted to toggle button and it is referred by T1 here. In the similar fashion, E1 present in the E1 present in the design view is mapped with E1. Now, can anybody say, now I have taken the IDs of design view and variables same T1, T1, E1, E1. These variables and IDs may be same, may be different, but it need not to be same. ఖచ్చితంగా సేమ్ ఉండాలనే రూల్ ఏమీ లేదమ్మా. డిఫరెంట్ ఉండొచ్చు, సేమ్ ఉండొచ్చు. Hope this is very clear, everyone. Is it clear? Let's give the response here. Let me know the response. Please respond, everyone. What happened here? No one is responding. Now you got an idea. Already you know how to map the variables and how to map the variables of an object, how to map the variables of Java with the XML components, right? By using find view by ID. Right? Don't forget this. Not only it maps, it searches for the so and so ID T1 in the resource file. Not only searches. Find view means searches. What is the ID we got? That ID will be also referred by T1, right? Java variables. Now, when we click on the toggle button, we are going to listen the event. As you know that from the AWT, we need to add the listener. To add the listener, I am writing here. What I am writing? T1 dot set on click listener of new T1 click. That means, can anybody say what is T1 click here? What do you mean by T1 click here? What do you mean by T1 click here? Please let me know, everyone. T1 click ante entama? What is T1 click? Respond. What is T1 click? Listener class. Is it already predefined class or am I created that class? On click listener implemented class. Very good. On click listener implemented class. That means it is created by the user. It may be any name, but for our better understanding, I have given as T1 click. Now outside this method, outside the on create method, remember, outside the on create method, what I'm trying to write is class T1 click, which is implementing on click listener. This is a separate class. You can also write as a anonymous class, but few people are feeling confusion to write anonymous class, so that I am writing the separate class T1 click, which is implementing on click listener. Can anybody say if our class is an implemented class of? Yes, we can write directly Sahiti. We can also write directly. That be nothing but anonymous class. Okay. But now question: if our class implements on click listener, our class should provide the code for which method? If we implement on click listener interface, our implemented class name is T1 click, which is going to implement which method? It is listen the event. When the event is triggered, one action to be performed, one handler to be executed. What is the handler name? Okay, listener method. What is the method here? Absolutely right, Sahiti. Not listener method, handler. Of course, listen the event. When it is triggered, click event is triggered, it will be listened. But one method to be executed. What is that method? On click. Don't forget this, dear. On click. When we are implementing on click listener, we should have a method. Arshini, very good, Arshini. Sahiti, absolutely right. Sai Kumar Sharma, very good. But only 15 to 20 people are responding. Ajay, Aravind, Navin Kumar, Vagdevi, Niharika, Saket, Shivani. Everyone, please respond here. This is our class. You need to respond. Are you listening? Siddharth, thank you, Siddharth. Usha, right. On click, very good. Ayesha, thank you. Right. Yashashwini, thank you. Harish, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Right, right. Super. Extraordinary. Right now, right in the on click, simple logic. If T1 means toggle button is checked. It is a predefined method in toggle button. Toggle button class. The what is the reference variable for toggle button? T1. Hence I am writing as when T1 is checked, E1 dot set enabled to true. That means the checked the toggle button should be come to on mode. When it is come to on mode, we got E1 dot set text. We got checked. Otherwise, you can also write like this here. I'm instead of checked, I'm writing. Just light is on. Else, when the toggle button is off mode, sir, what will happen? When the toggle button is off mode, for example, light undanukonda, light, tube light. Let the light anakunda LED antan. LED is on. LED is on. Right. When the toggle button is off, LED is off. Okay. Enable false and written set text LED is off. Please go for save all here. Right. Now, what will be happen here? Simple. This is a very simple logic. When you click here, the toggle button is on. Then in the edit box, we will get LED is on. Okay. When you click here again, the toggle button becomes off. In the text box, we get as LED is off. So that just go for right click here, dear. Again, just go for save all. Just save all. Save all. Okay. Just go for right click here, dear. Run as Android application. Already the simulator is in on mode here. We shall try to see the application. Wait for a while here. In the meanwhile, I will send the APK file to you. You please check it. In the meanwhile, I will send the APK file to you. Copy here. Just go for copy. Open the WhatsApp. I'm sending to you, dear. Please execute in your mobile, everyone. Wait for a while. The system is somewhat slow. Please, I request everyone. Go for desktop here. Go for desktop. Toggle button APK. Open. You please execute in your mobile here. We will get LEDs on. When you click on it, LED is on. When you click off, when you again click, it will be off. Please check it and execute the program, please, dear. You got the file. Please execute in your mobiles, Android mobiles. Everyone, please execute. Please execute in your mobile. At least send the screenshot here. LEDs are on. Okay. Just click on again off and check it. We will get LEDs off. LED means nothing but light. I have given a message. As your wish here. In the meanwhile, we check in the emulator here. The system is very slow. Done, done. I've seen. Thank you, Sharma. Sai Kumar. Preeti, done, done. Thank you, Varsha. Still, right. In the simulator also, can you able to see the simulator here? Here also you can see a toggle button. Yes, Pranay. Thank you, Pranay. Just click here. Just see here. Output LED is on. Click here again. Off. LED is off. Can you able to see the screen, everyone? Let me know, please. Can you able to see this? Right. Good here. You click it. LED is on. Okay. LED is on. LED is off. Okay. This is how we work with toggle button here. Okay. Everyone did very good. Everyone did the program. Thank you. Right. How many of you are you install the Eclipse in your laptops here? Eclipse software మీ laptops లో ఎంతమంది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకున్నారు? Let me know that, please. Good, Arshini. Are you doing the programs, Arshini? Arshini, are you doing the programs in your laptop? Yes, Ayesha, very good. Okay. Okay, no problem. Android Studio is also no problem. Similar environment with little bit changes. Okay. Site absolute pro, no problem. Okay. From the next class onwards, we shall also work with Android Studio. Okay. Okay, thank you, Amma. Okay, no problem. But the people who are having the laptops, please try to install Android Studio, no problem. Otherwise, Eclipse, whatever you feel better, you do this. Okay, I'll send the how to install the Android Studio also today. I'll send the recorded video. Sir, share programs also. Yes, definitely. I'll zip the programs and I'll share the programs also. Okay. Okay. If I send the program, can you know how to import the program? Can you, if there is already existing program, how to use it in Android Studio? Can you know? Not APK files. I'm not talking about APK files here. For suppose, share it in Entama. Use, okay, no problem. Okay, Pranay, thank you. How to use the application? If I send the application, how to, sir, share how to install Android Studio video link. Definitely, I will share the link. Okay. Yeah, now itself I share the link. How to install Android Studio. Okay, I shared the link there. I already shared the link how to install Android Studio. Please install it. And I want to say I want to give one assignment to you. Please. Right. I want to give one assignment. Please try to do the assignment. You please try to do the assignment. Though people who are having the laptop, please try to do the assignment here. Okay? This is the layout, Android layout. You should get today's date, not DAT date. Today's date, you need to get like this date. The second should be changed like this. The second should be changed like this. Like this. When it goes to the 59th second, the time should be changed as. I hope this is very clear. Again, the seconds will be start. అర్థమైందా అమ్మ నీ అసైన్మెంట్ చెప్పింది మీకు? Did you understand my theme? The theme మీకు అర్థమైందా? Please, everyone, did you understand? It's just simple. You need to, in the Android frame, I mean to say that in the layout, you display the date and current time, including the second should be run. Okay, this is your assignment. Can you able to do? Please do it and send the screenshot in our group, dear. Please, everyone. Can you please, dear? Okay, Ashini, thank you. The people who are having the laptops, do that and send in my group. Okay, in our group. Sir, how we got optically low for LED is off. Optically, I did not get you, Shivaraj. నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు నీ క్వశ్చన్. అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని అడుగు, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. You can unmute and you can ask me. Shivaraj.
సార్
It is off అని ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటున్నారా?
కాదు సార్, లైట్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ అన్నప్పుడు
LED off అని ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటున్నారా?
దాని బ్రైట్నెస్ అనేది చేంజ్ ఉంది కదా సార్. లైట్ ఈజ్ ఆన్, లైట్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్ అన్న బ్రైట్నెస్ అనేది కొంచెం చేంజ్ ఉంది కదా.
LED.
హలో సార్, హలో.
LED is on bright వచ్చింది సార్. LED is off. టెక్స్ట్ లైట్ గా ప్రింట్ అయింది సార్. LED is on bright గా వచ్చింది సార్. Yes. Yes. That is the speciality of the toggle button here. Off లో ఉంది అని మనకు తెలియడానికి. That is the main intention of that is the main purpose of toggle button. When it is in on, it represents in one format. When it is in off, it represents in some other format. For toggle button, only two conditions, either on or off, dear. For toggle button, there will be only two conditions, either on, it may be on or it may be off. For suppose if you have a tube light in your home, you can on it or you can off it. You won't do more than that. Is it clear? If there is a fan, you have a regulator. You have more options. When the fan is on, you can use a regulator for changing speed 1, 2, 3 and more options. But for light, you have only two options, either on or off. Good. Question నాకు అర్థమైందమ్మా. LED is on అన్నప్పుడు బ్రైట్ గా వచ్చింది, LED is off అన్నప్పుడు లైట్ గా వచ్చింది. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషాలిటీ ఆఫ్ టాగుల్ బటన్ హియర్. ఓకే, మీరు ఈవెన్ ఇక్కడ కూడా టాగుల్ బటన్ లో కూడా చూడండి, ఆన్, ఆఫ్, ఆన్, ఓకే, ఆఫ్. చూడండి ఆన్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి, ఇక్కడ బ్లూ కలర్ లైన్ వచ్చింది చూడండి అమ్మ. కెన్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ఆర్ నాట్? ఆన్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి బ్లూ కలర్ లైన్ వచ్చింది చూడండి. ఇట్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ఆన్ మోడ్. ఒకసారి ఆఫ్ చూడండి. ఆఫ్ అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి కలర్ చేంజ్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ లైన్ కలర్ చేంజ్ అయింది. దిస్ సేస్ టు ప్రింట్ ఇన్ లైట్ ఫార్మాట్. ఐ మీన్ డార్క్ బ్రైట్ గా కాకుండా లోగా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, రైట్, వెరీ గుడ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఈస్ వెరీ గుడ్. నేను మర్చిపోయాను చెప్పడం. సూపర్, గుడ్, సూపర్ అమ్మా, సూపర్. You are extraordinary. Right. Thank you, dear. Please do the assignment. And one more assignment I will give. I'll show the practically. I'll show it. But you please do on your own. ఎందుకంటే అన్ని నేనే చెప్పుకుంటా పోతే మీకు కూడా రావాలి కదా. I want to work on list view. Can anybody say what is list view? మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇలా వస్తా ఉంటాయి ఆప్షన్స్. ఒక సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఒక ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేస్తున్నావు, విచ్ స్టేట్ అన్న విచ్ కంట్రీ ఆర్ విచ్ స్టేట్ అని అడిగినప్పుడు ఇలా యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ ఏ మల్టిపుల్ ఆప్షన్స్. విచ్ కంట్రీ, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇండియా, యుఎస్, యూకే, రష్యా. If you are Indian, you are going to select India. If you are American, you are going to select US. That means even you are going to select different types of state. You are going to get it. Among that, you are going to take one state. See, Sai Srija, very good. It may also call it as spinner or list view. I'll say the difference. What is the difference between spinner and what is the difference between list view? List view occupies more space. List view occupies more space, dear. More space. List view occupies more space. For suppose this is the Android screen. View occupies like this. This is list view, dear. This is list view. Okay. One of the guys said spinner. What is spinner, sir? Spinner also looks like the same, but what is the difference? This is the Android layout, dear. Right. You will get small color like this. When you click here, right here. When you click here, please. When you click here, it is going to display the list here. It is going to display the list. After selecting among one, if you select one, the selected one will be displayed here. This we call it as spinner. Spinner. Is it clear? Did you get the difference between list view and spinner? Please let me know here, please. Everyone, did you get the difference between list view and spinner? లిస్ట్ వ్యూలో కూడా ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయమ్మా. ఇది లిస్ట్ వ్యూ అనుకోండి, 1 2 3 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇలా కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఇండియా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే ఇండియా, యుఎస్ అయితే యుఎస్, యూకే అయితే. కానీ ఇట్ టేక్స్ మోర్ స్పేస్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్. ఇట్ టేక్స్ మోర్ స్పేస్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్. అదే స్పిన్నర్ ఏం చేస్తామా, ఇట్ డిస్ప్లేస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ లైన్. వెన్ యూ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద బాటమ్, at the bottom, right bottom, it is going to display the list. Among that list you can select one. Once you selected, the spinner will close. That means the list of options will be closed. I will show it. Don't worry. I will show the execution, but try to do on your own. So where this list view and spinner will be available in our Android environment. You can see here, please. You can see here. You can in the palette. Don't go for form widgets. Go for composite. In the composite, you can see the list view here. List view. This is, you are going to work with multiple options. List view. If you want to get the spinner will be directly available in the form widgets. This is spinner. In the form widgets, directly you can see the spinner. Right? Give the answer here. Is everyone? Where you are going to able to see the spinner? Spinner. Where you are able to see the spinner, dear? Yes. Where you are going to see the spinner? Not composite, form widgets. Spinner is available in form widgets. Ayesha, absolutely right. But list view is able to see in composite. Very good. This is. Both will do the same task. List view and spinner will do the same task. Can anybody say that? You can also do unmute and you can say, sir, please. Mr. Sir. Right. List view and spinner will do the same task. Then what is the difference? List view will occupy more memory, more space on the layout. Among that you can select one. But spinner will allocate small memory, less space, not memory, less space. When you click on it, you can get a drop down list. among the drop down list, like this. When you click here, you get a drop down list. In this, you can select any one of that. After selecting, it will be gone. Similar to that, you can select. Okay? Both will do the same task. We can get a very good. Sahiti, we can get a drop down list for spinner. Among that, we can select. Directly, I am executing the application. Okay, you please do this application on your own. You try it. Okay, just see the application there, everyone. I'm going to execute the application on the list view. You please try to do on the own. If you won't get the, if you are unable to get that, I'll explain the code with code. Okay, I'm going for list view demo. Run as Android application. I'm also sending the APK file to you. You please execute in your mobile here. I'm sending the APK file to you. Okay, I'll show this. Wait for a while here. I'm sending the list view in for your WhatsApp. Okay, please dear, execute. Everyone please execute and send the outputs. Have you executed? Please let me know. Good, 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 good. Okay, you got the output. Just select any one of that. If you select India, you will get India. If you select America, you are going to get America. But it takes more space on the screen. Just see it here. Just see here. Toast. This is a toast message. We got India. I click on America. You please, I've used the toast here, toast for long time. If I select UK, I'll get UK. Now these data can be added using properties. I mean to say that statically. Sir, ఈ లిస్ట్ ని డైనమికల్ గా ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ టైం లో కూడా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. దీస్ నేను చెప్తాను, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. These items will be added statistically or dynamically. But what it may be, you please do either statistically or dynamically. If you select Russia, you will get Russia. Okay, this is it is taking more space on the layout. Now I'm using instead of this list view, I'm using the spinner here. I also have a spinner application. I'm using the spinner. Just check it. I'm using the spinner here. Also sending the spinner APK file to you. Please execute in your mobile. Then observe the difference between spinner and list view. And you write down the differences between spinner and list view. Wait for a while there. Right. I already said the send the spinner also. You please check in your mobiles here, everyone. I hope everyone is understood the concept of myself. Post is getting okay. Very good. Sai, very good. Sai Kumar, thank you. Ayesha, thank you. Of course, just see the execution of spinner also. Everyone, please execute the spinner and see the output and say the difference between spinner and list view. Yes. Apply the color also for list view. Okay. You please observe. Don't worry about color. Color is not a problem. Just I applied relative layout, dot set background color, R layout, dot set background color. It's not a big problem. Instead of toast, I've changed the color. It is not a big problem here. But you please see the space allocated for list view and spinner. By clicking drop down list is displayed and by clicking color is displayed. Right, red. మీరు డ్రాప్ డౌన్ లిస్ట్ లో రెడ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే రెడ్ అప్లై అవుతుంది, బ్లూ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే బ్లూ, గ్రీన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ బిగ్ ప్రాబ్లం హియర్. మీరు టోస్ట్ మెసేజ్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు సార్, స్పిన్నర్ కూడా టోస్ట్ మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. యూ కెన్ గివ్ టోస్ట్ మెసేజ్ యాజ్ యువర్ విష్ హియర్. More space and less space. Thank you everyone. From this we understood. You please do the three applications on your dear list view. If you want to get, I will explain, no problem. List view, spinner and timer. Generally you call it as timer here. Thank you all. In the Saturday session, we shall work with Android Studio. Please try to install the Android Studio in your mobiles, which already I sent the link for installing the Android Studio in our group. Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye. See you.